This is a demonstration on how to replace the motor on the pump stick. First, remove the end cap and screen. Then take out the spacer to expose the motor unit. Gently pull out the motor housing until the wires are taut and remove the 3 screws from the flanges of the damaged motor unit. Pull the motor unit out and remove the terminals, then discard the damaged unit. Now remove the new motor unit from its packaging. Plug the terminals into the new motor unit, making sure the red wire is connected to the terminal with the red dot. Next, insert the new motor unit into the motor housing. If you hit any resistance, gently twist the unit. Reassemble using the 3 screws. Place the assembly into the pump housing, then insert the spacer, rotating until the 2 slots engage the flanges on the motor unit. Finally, put the screen end cap back onto the pump housing to complete the installation.